Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, hold the power key, select power off, and when the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume up together. Once you see the boot mode, you want to use volume keys to navigate through the options. So we're looking for recovery mode, and once it's visible right here, press power key to confirm it. This will take us to the recovery mode right here, and again using volume keys you want to select enter Fastboot, and same way confirm it with power key. And there we go, we are now in the Fastboot mode. So that is how you boot into it. And once you're done with it and you want to leave it, simply select reboot system now. Again, volume keys to navigate, power key to confirm it, and this will now take you to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.